Hello and welcome back to my channel, A Wonderful Sheep. It is a beautiful autumn afternoon here in Seoul, Korea. The beautiful fall weather also inspired me to revisit cut paper collage, so in a second you'll see that. I'm using matte medium as my adhesive, but you can definitely use a glue stick, that works just as well. I hope you are having a lovely autumn or a lovely November wherever you are. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more vlogs and studio vlogs from Seoul, Korea.